Hello everyone, today we are comparing two flagship smartphones, the Oppo Find X9 and Oppo Find X9 Pro. There is no much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Oppo Find X9 comes with 6.59 inches AMOLED display, and the X9 Pro comes with 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Both two phones come with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound features. Both two phones include 5G connectivity speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.